Hey everyone, it's time to pick my November Glam bag choices. So just to remind you, the Glam bag is the bag that costs $13 plus the $2 handling fee, call it $15, which is about £12.50 in UK money. You get to choose one item, and the bag consists of five sample size or deluxe sample size products, and occasionally you might get the odd full size item, but the full size item won't be anything huge. It'll be like a lipstick, or it'll be a lip liner or an eyeliner, something like that. It's not going to be anything big. So here are the choices they're giving me this month for my one item. So the first thing is Cab Cosmetics eyeshadow quad in Smoke Sure. I'm not too keen on getting anything from Cab Cosmetics because it's one of those private labels, sort of AliExpress stuff. So I'm never convinced the quality is going to be that good. So that is going to be literally a last resort if none of the other items are suitable. The next item is from Ofra Cosmetics, Mini Liquid Lip in Unzipped. Let's have a quick look at this colour. Okay, the colour looks like it could be interesting. Let me have a look on another site to see what the colour's truly like. So give me a sec. Okay, so I'm on the Ofra US site. They haven't got the colour available at Beauty Bay, which is the normal place that sells Ofra Cosmetics. So this colour, initially, it looks all right. So, oh no. If that's how it looks on sort of darker skins, then that's a no. See, that looks really good on white skins, but why does it look so pink on her skin? That's just so weird. That is not the same colour as that. Something very wrong there. Okay, I'm not convinced about getting that lipstick. Right, let's move on. Okay, the other options is from Grown Alchemist Polishing Face Exfoliant. That's a possibility. I do like Grown Alchemist. Their products very expensive and they're normally decent quality as well. Then we've got Touch and Soul, again another brand I like as well. No Problem AHA BHA PHA. So that's another form of exfoliation from the skin. PHA is quite gentle. I've got so many flipping toners and things here, but have I got an exfoliating one? I'm not sure about that. Let's have a look. Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Blue. Ooh, that looks nice. I do like their eyeshadow palettes. I might consider that. What else is there? Transformation Brush. No, I'm not interested in that. Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. Not interested. Mary & May Transemic Acid. No, it's an eye cream. Not interested. Hydrate Sheet Mask 2-pack. I might do Heat Guard Leave-In Cream. Might do. I think at the moment my favourites are the Grown Alchemist and the Estate Liquid Eyeliner. I really would have liked that Ofra Cosmetics colour if the colour was less risky. Oh, I don't know. I just don't want it to be that pink colour. That colour that's shown there looks nice. I don't know what to do. Okay, I am going to go for the Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Blue because I like a bit of colour. So that's the one I'm going to get. Confirm selection. Done. And then it's going to bring me straight to the flash sales. Anything in the flash sales worth looking at? No, not really. There's nothing of any interest here. I think that's it. I think that's going to be my choice for my Glam bag. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and listening to me ponder. Take care. Bye.